You won't believe what these doorbell cameras caught.
My house.
From the bizarre to the downright crazy, it's all here. Stick around because the last one, it's wild. You don't want to miss it. In Sacramento, California, this Santa's making the rounds, roaming around houses and knocking loudly on doors.
Merry Christmas!
Not exactly the jolly visitor you'd expect, huh? With Christmas coming, who else is bracing for some unexpected holiday cheer at night? In Memphis, Tennessee at 4 in the morning, this lady's trying to get into a stranger's house. Why? Who knows? Let's see what happens next, because this is just unsettling.
You at the wrong house. You at the wrong house.
In Roswell, New Mexico, meet Creepy Kevin. Because what else do you call someone lurking around like this? Let's take a closer look.
Yeah, someone is in the alley. They were trying to climb your fence. Just thought I'd let you know, okay? Have a good night.
In Riverdale, Georgia, this moment had to be caught on camera because you'd never believe it otherwise. A neighbor actually taught their dog to steal packages from this house. And get this, it's not the dog's first time. A Porch pirate dog, that's a new one. In Las Vegas, Nevada, meet Begging Barbara. She's got some interesting requests for the homeowner. Let's hear what she has to say. This should be good.
Who's this?
Oh, I'm just passing by. I was freezing cold, and my friend said to stop by and just ask anybody if they had a coat or a blanket, extra one.
Oh, sorry, I don't have anything and I was sleeping.
Thank you.
In Escondido, California, here comes talkative Tom, late at night with yet another request. And this one, it's the craziest yet. Let's see what he's got to say.
What's up? May I get one room for one night? I think I've asked one other time before. Possibly.
In Jonesboro, Georgia, this is why you never leave anything outside. Sneaky swiper Steve is on the prowl, and yep, he's taking your stuff. Unbelievable. In Rialto, California, this is one of those incidents that's just downright concerning. An older man walking on the sidewalk and suddenly, out of nowhere, a car pulls up. A man and a woman get out, approach him, and rob his wallet in broad daylight. It's hard to believe, but it's happening. In Sacramento, California, here's Thirsty Tom. He's got something he needs from the homeowner. Let's see what it is. I'm guessing it's not just a glass of water.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I have some food? Comida?
I'm sorry?
Comida? Food?
I'm sorry, I don't have any.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Can I wash my hands?
No.
No?
Uh-uh.
Okay, bye.
I'm sorry.
In Huntsville, Alabama, these two confused are trying to open a stranger's house.
David. What? This is not the right apartment.
Was this intentional, or did they really just get lost?
This isn't the right apartment. Which one is it?
What do you think? Comment below.
Is it?
I think it's this one. It's probably the wrong key.
Either way, David, you will never lock a door like that.
No, I don't lock my door like that.
How do you not know it's this one, David? You too high.
I think I can see it.
My bad.
Things are about to get even more crazy. Buckle up, you won't want to miss what happens next. In Riverdale, Georgia, this video is a perfect example of why some people just shouldn't have a driver's license. Let's see what happens next. In Rancho Cucamonga, California, here's a troubling trend. DoorDash drivers snapping pics of your food at the doorstep and then just stealing it. It's sad, but this is happening more and more every day. In Anaheim, California, it's 5 in the morning and here's confused Carl, walking right up to the wrong house. Let's see how he reacts when he figures it out.
Oh my. My house. Where is she?
In San Marcos, California, this lady keeps coming to the same house for no reason. And get this, she's pretending to use her phone, even though the screen's off. What's going on here? In Columbus, Georgia, this woman rings the doorbell just to check if someone's home. Once she confirms, yep, she steals an air conditioner from the yard.
The door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message...
If you're really enjoying this video, why not click that like button? It's free and it'll definitely make my day. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. More crazy moments coming your way. In Cypress, California, this porch pirate got caught red-handed by the homeowner. Let's see how she reacts when she realizes she's been busted.
Hi.
Hi.
Want me to grab those?
No.
Oh, okay.
They're for, aren't they for Amanda?
For who?
Amanda.
There's not.
You told me to leave a letter? Look.
There's not an Amanda that lives here.
She told me to leave a letter in the city, like 4 blocks.
In Montgomery, Alabama, check out sneaky swiper Steve in action. In Upland, California, this clip is a real eye-opener for homeowners. 3 men dressed as gardeners knock on the door to see if anyone's home. After a few attempts, they realize the house is empty, so they break the window and steal a large safe filled with cash and valuables. This is a trick you don't want to fall for. Share this with your family and friends so they know what to watch out for. In Lakewood, California, we just saw a thief dressed as a gardener. But in this clip, we're going to see a thief stealing the garden's flowers. Seriously, who does that? The next clips might just be the most shocking of all. Get ready for some jaw-dropping moments. In Phoenix, Arizona, here's an unexpected twist. A grandma who can hardly walk, but she's out here stealing a Christmas tree's bell.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
What? What?
Come on, Grandma. At your age, it's time for good deeds, not this. In Las Vegas, Nevada, these thieves are going door to door taking whatever they can find. At this rate, by 2050, they'll probably be stealing souls right out of people's bodies.
Open your first checking account and we'll smother you up to $200.
In Garden Grove, California, here's a lesson. Don't leave your trees outside, or these folks might steal the fruit right off them. Makes you wonder, can anyone even plant a tree in their yard anymore? In Sacramento, California, it's not even Christmas, but these thieves are already out here stealing Christmas decorations. Seriously, can we at least get to the season first? In Sacramento, California, it's becoming all too common. People showing up at your door to steal or vandalize. This needs to stop. In Rancho Cucamonga, California, meet Peeping Paula, out early in the morning peeking through windows. A reminder, folks. Cover your windows to keep people like this out of sight. In Huntsville, Alabama, here's another doorknob wiggler. And if you notice the pattern, they almost always show up early in the morning. Stay alert, folks. In Las Vegas, Nevada, here's another DoorDash driver thief, snapping a pic of your food at the door, then stealing it. And of course, it never makes it to you. Unbelievable. In San Bernardino, California, here's Jumpy Jerry, sneaking into a backyard and hiding there for a long time. But the homeowner's doorbell app has human detection, and they caught him. Let's see how this situation plays out. It looks like even animals aren't fans of home security cameras. Watch as this squirrel goes all out to damage it. Guess privacy matters to everyone. In Rialto, California, late at night, this woman looks like she's running from someone, trying to hide in this house's yard. What do you think? Is she being chased, or is she up to something no good? Comment below. In Sacramento, California, these kids are really going out of hand. They just threw garbage through the front door and ran off. The homeowner comes out to see who did it, but by the time they got there, the kids were already gone. In Upland, California, check out Peeping Paula, sneaking around and looking where she shouldn't. In Anaheim, California, it's beyond creepy. People like this watching you through the window late at night. And get this, he's done it many times at the same house.
Get the away from the door. Get out of here.
In San Diego, California, here's exactly why you never hide your keys under the doormat. People like her can easily slip in and enter your house at night. Stay smart, folks. In Atlanta, Georgia, here's another window Willie. Looking inside your home and trying the doors to get in and steal. Stay alert, folks. These guys are everywhere. In Sacramento, California, here's a bold porch pirate, stealing even while the homeowner is inside the house. Let's see how the homeowner reacts to this one.
Okay. Weirdo.
In Rochester, New York, this is seriously creepy. This man comes to the house at night making some very strange gestures in front of the camera. Never try to confront people like this by opening your door. You never know what they might be carrying. In Cypress, California, it seems like privacy is a thing of the past, even inside your own home. This type of peeping Tom is out here trying to watch you through the window or door glass. Seriously unsettling. In Cerritos, California these days, People are hustling door to door looking for packages. If they don't find one, people like her don't leave empty-handed. They'll just steal your flowers instead. In Roswell, New Mexico, we've seen people steal packages, flowers, fruits, even your chairs. Now this duo decides to steal water. Seriously, what's left that people won't take?
It wasn't a hole, really. Look. He's a nice guy. Intruders. Got it. It's not even heavy. I want to fall all the way. This is where they were driving the car.
In Memphis, Tennessee, check out Wandering Walt, just roaming around, but what's he up to this time? In Columbus, Georgia, take a look at Night Watch Nick, out here doing some late night watching. What's he really up to? In Jonesboro, Georgia, this dude rolls up to the house, first time looking for something to steal. He finds something, leaves the area, then casually takes off his jacket like no one will recognize him. But wait, he's back. He picks up a shoe, checks the size, but looks like it's not quite the right fit for him. In Escondido, California, there are coyotes roaming around. Keep your pets and kids inside. It's definitely coyote season, folks. If you're enjoying the videos, why not keep watching? Just click one of these to dive into more.